I have a check engine light and the check VSC is on my IS250. This is a 2006 IS250. To remove the air fuel ratio sensor for the 2006 IS250, first of all, you have to remove this fuel box right here and the grounding bracket that's on the side. And as you can see, the sensor is right there above the catalytic converter. You're gonna need a pivot wrench right here, ratchet wrench, a 3/8 size, and a oxygen sensor remove socket. This is a 22 millimeter 7/8 and a pipe that you could slip the ratchet into to get leverage, just like that. Okay, just this 3 tool will make your job a lot easier. Grab the 22 millimeter oxygen sensor socket, and then you go in here, just slip. There's a slot right here. Slip around the wire, oxygen sensor wire. This one right here. And then just go over on top of the sensor, just like that. See better this way. And see how the ratchet is bent right now, out of the way, because see it's starting hitting the valve cover right here. That's why you need the pivoting ratchet. Now grab the pipe, stick onto the ratchet to get leverage. Then I don't know how I'm going to show you guys this way, and then just all your strength, turn it. See, it's moving just like that. Now once the oxygen sensor is loose, you can actually do it by hand now. You don't need the pipe anymore. Now I have to move the socket up more because right now it's down all the way, a ratchet down all the way. Now it's hitting the side pipe on the side right there, as you can see on the right. Now I have to reposition the socket again, so I got to remove it. Move it up. It's pretty loose now, so I can actually do it by hand. I don't need the ratchet anymore. Oh, it's coming out. Let's try with my hand. Yep. There we go. Check that out. I bought this oxygen sensor from Amazon. It's for about $109. And make sure you get the Denso brand. It's closest to the OEM because Denso make the OEM oxygen sensor for Toyota and Lexus. So make sure you get a good one. Don't buy those cheap $30, $40 oxygen sensor. I'll leave the part number and a link for the oxygen sensor. And this is for bank 2 and sensor 1. Alright, let's put this in. This is why you buy the Denso brand. This is my original, and this is the one I bought from Amazon. And it looks almost exactly the same. Here's a new oxygen sensor, air fuel ratio sensor. As you can see, the anti-seize lubricant is already applied on the thread right here. But while I remove the cap, the cover, protect the cover, I got some on the sensor right here. So make sure you clean it off. Don't leave it on the sensor. Okay, it's all clean. Now it's ready to go in. Okay, let me grab my socket, put it back in there. Alright, the air fuel ratio sensor is in and plugged back into the connector. On the bottom, as you can see this, I don't think you can see this. It's all the way in there. Can't show you. This is all the way in the bottom. See where that wire is? Going behind the block. That's where you plug it in and you unplug from there. There's a connector right behind there. Alright, now gotta put all this back. Yeah, remember to put all this back. Opening my scan tools to clear the code. Read code, check engine light, continue. Okay. This is the codes I get right now, as you can see. P2197 O2 sensor signal raise, stuck lean bank 2 sensor 1, P2174 system 2 lean bank 2. Let's clear the code. And I want to test drive the car and see the codes come back again. Clear. Okay, no more check engine light. The VSC warnings off. Let's go test out the car. Alright, I took the car for a few test drive. One for around like 15 minutes on the inside street and the highway. And I came back, I parked the car. I turned the car off, turned it back on, didn't see the check engine light. Then I parked for a little bit and I took the car for a short test drive again and come back. The check engine light still off. To help the channel out, please subscribe. Click on your notification bell for new videos update. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video.